I've had the Instapot Sous Vide for a number of years now, and I've used it a lot on steak mostly, and also some chicken. It has a cord that you plug into the wall and a little attachment there that you can use to adhere it to any pot. Once you plug it into the wall, you can change the temperature setting and the time setting. Typically, I'll add my ingredients to a bag, then put the steak or chicken in there, set the temperature on the top. I usually set it to about 200 degrees for about a couple hours, depending upon the meat. And then I will just let it do its job. As the steak cooks, you'll see it start to change colors as it gets more cooked in the pot. Then I'll just throw it on the grill, give it a nice quick sear on the grill outside, and the steak comes out beautifully. It's so tender on the inside. So I definitely don't want to go back to cooking steaks normally, and this is how I typically will cook them.